iPhone 7 Plus Rear Camera Replacement Guide. Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you will need a plastic triangle opening tool, nylon spudger, SIM card ejection tool, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, professional flathead screwdriver, professional Phillips screwdriver, professional iPhone pentalobe screwdriver, professional tripoint screwdriver. Power down your Apple iPhone 7 Plus smartphone. Eject the nano SIM card tray. Remove the two bottom 3.4mm pentalobe screws located next to the lightning connector. Use the precision knife to create enough space to insert a triangle opening tool. With the opening tool, slice through the intense adhesive and carefully decouple the iPhone 7 Plus display assembly from the rear case. Unlike previous iPhone models, the 7 Plus bizarrely opens to the side. The display assembly is still connected to the iPhone by cables along the middle right side, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. Remove the following 4 tri-point screws securing the bracket that covers the battery connector and 2 of the display cables. These screws are different sizes, so be sure to remember where they go. With the bracket out of the way, spudge up the cables from the logic board. Remove the following 3 tri-point screws that secure the bracket covering the upper component display cable. Disconnect the cable and free the iPhone 7 Plus display assembly from the phone. Remove the following Phillips screw and standoff screw. Remove the protective metal cover. With the spudger in hand, disconnect the two 12-megapixel iPhone 7 Plus rear-facing cameras and pry them out of the chassis. One camera is wide angle with optical image stabilization, and the second allows for optical zoom. All of the replacement parts and repair tools used in this video are available at www.DIYMobileRepair.com. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.